This is my AK-74 airsoft gun. It's electronic and it has a plastic clear shell instead of like a wood black metal kind of, and it's got the parts so I can put like a dot sight on it, a laser or whatever, flashlight, and it has AK-47 kind of AK-74 sighting on it, and then it's got a rubber grip, and the thing is collapsible, the butt piece. That's being demonstrated right now, if possible. Yeah. And then it closes like that. And then just open it. Sorry about that. And on this side, it has the settings for the thing. This is on safe, full auto, and semi-automatic. It's got the grip so you can put a handle thing on it. Handle grip, I guess. It has this piece. You pull it back, and right in here, right there, a little piece. I pull it back, and it's right here, and it changes the spin on it. Yeah, I really like it because it's light, and the clip, it's like a round clip. You just go like that. That's in. Yeah. So that was my AK-74, and it is a very good gun. It holds, the clip holds 375 BBs, plastic BBs, and it goes, how fast is it? It goes 375 feet per second. Yeah. And this is the sound of it on semi, like that. And this is full auto. Yeah. And I gave my brother lots of whops with it, so it's pretty reliable.